everybody, it's Katrina.
It's the Crafty Corner Crafting.
Hi everybody, welcome to the Crafty Corner. So I'm bringing you another concept, and this is a Bebe bag. I paid $3 for this bag at City Trends. All right, and the retail value on the bag itself is $109. All right, so I have put this in a box concept, and I'm just going to let you swing around here and show it to you. Got a little string on my bear's eye, so let me cut that first. All right, and then I'll just swing you all around so that you can see it. All right, so this is the concept. All right, and this is the Bebe bag that I have used for this concept. I have put the bear in there. We have some Spa Luxe, Cabana Kiwi, lotion and foot scrub, as well as some Bath and Body Works. And this is the Rio Pineapple Mango. And the colors go together, so I put them together. And they all go with this box. I also included the little plushy bear in here. And this gift has turned out beautifully. All right, so to keep my box standing up, I just use some dowel sticks on each side. All right. Okay, so that is this concept. I am going to bag and bow. And this is what the box looks like in the back. Just one of the pretty decorative boxes from Dollar General. And I got this box last year. I've had several boxes for a while. And I'm just trying to get those concepts done. Alright, so I am banging out, excuse me, these concepts today. At least I'm trying to. Working as hard as I can. The event that I had today was canceled, so I didn't have to go do that. So I have been in the Crafty Corner making baskets all day. My daughter is out of the hospital. She is home. They let her come home today, and she's doing much better. She actually came down here and made some baskets, she made some flat concepts and maybe two baskets. I'm not sure. I know she did some flat concepts though. But anyway, this is the concept that I have just completed with the Bebe bag. All right, and like I said, that Bebe bag retail value is $100. I'm just going to bring the tag closer so you can see that retail value on there. It's right there. $109. So we definitely want to make sure we can charge a good penny for this. Hold on one second, y'all. All right, I got her all bagged up. All right, now I'm going to put a bow on it, and we will go from there. Heads up, I'm going to unsmush his head a little bit. I think got enough wiggle room over here for that. All right, so I'm going to get a bow on it, and I'll be right back. All right, she is bagged and bowed. I'm going to set this out. And if you want a closer look, that is what our big beautiful bow is looking like. I'll pull that inside down just a little bit here. This way. And this is what our basket is looking like. So please tell me what you think down in the comments. Make sure you like, share, comment, and subscribe. Be blessed, y'all, but most importantly, be a blessing. Hi, everybody. It's Katrina.
It's the Crafty Corner Crafting with Katrina. We got